concerned about.
Come, let's go.
So we all know about the pinata game.
Something.
But have you ever tried it blindfolded? So that's our challenge in this, something to smile about. By the way, thanks to Pinatas Jamaica for providing these amazing pinatas.
Let me put on this, because I'm going to cheat.
You can, well, no, hold on, if I take off this. You can check them out. Clive Diver, come. So check them out on Instagram. So I don't need me, I still already.
You know, you guys don't have to blindfold me. All you have to do is take off my glasses, because then we can't see nothing. Ready? On the mark, catch, set. Go.
Yeah.
Good?
Well, it kind of tight. Here's yours. Where going?
I don't want to give you any opportunity to look.
No, I don't cheat. You know that. Hold on now. So I must start right here. Let me know where the thing there.
Boy, Joe. Okay. Wait a minute. Clive, come and put on this one.
Question. Which end I must hold? The end with the... So? Somewhere around it?
I could tell you, but I cannot really see right now. Wow, put it on this.
Yeah, but I know where the thing is. I'm going to have to go spin me around little because I can feel it right here.
Yeah, so come. Spin around a little. Let's go for a walk.
No, I don't trust Simone. I do. No, I don't trust Simone.
You what?
You carry me
I'm glaring at you right now.
You carry me all out the road. I don't trust you.
In the park. Come.
Boss lady, I know you're there on my team, you know, so don't make them. Where we go?
We're going for a walk in the park, and then we're going to go back to where we thought we were.
So, oh, you know where we're going? You can't see?
I have my stick out in front of me. Ready?
This, me nervous.
You sound like Dan. All right, come.
Where am I going?
Back to where, okay. Oh, Jesus. What is, oops. All right, bend down your head.
Bend down my head. Yeah. That mean you can see?
And catch. No, I just had an experience a while ago. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, on the mark. All right, up the music.
Ready now?
So we just have to start. Nev. Yeah. Wait. Nev, if something connect that feel like flesh, it is I.
Well, I know.
So in that instant, you stop.
It's me should tell you that.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
On the mark.
But I don't know where I am.
Hold the cock. Use your stick, guy. Use your stick. Okay.
I feel it behind me.
Hold. On the mark.
Can somebody tell me an idea?
Are
close?
Okay, watch. Nev, are you clear? Are you clear?
I don't know where I am. How about that? I am close. I'm not close. It's in front of me. Left. I will Simone live.
I'm doing what pinatas.
Somebody tell me where I am now. To my right. Forward.
Why this? Look here. Is who build this thing, man?
Drive, me think you told me that idiot still up. Drive when me do.
What's happening over there?
So we lick it, don't I lick it again.
Jesus, that feel like the stick. What did I just hit? Come. Did he do it?
It licked me all of my head. What?
Are you bringing the host? What's going on?
I am Kung Fu.
That sounds like everything just mush up.
Well, I know. See it again.
Is somebody holding it?
My money drop yet?
Clive, are you touching this?
My money don't drop yet.
Stress, all you stress, just get it out. Just get it out.
Who name stress, by the way?
I want to tell you, say, I've a couple people
Same. You sound close to me and I feel like I want to swing.
Don't.
No, you sound close. Move from there.
I've moved. Yes! Is that my jackpot or Nev's? Am I done? Is there more in there?
No, that's it.
Wait. It cannot be that Neville and I have done all this work.
Thank you very much. That's why I'm not moving, you know.
Anything.
Watch your glasses. Mind your glasses, Sim. Mind your glasses. No, that's why I'm not moving, you know, because I don't understand how it's me do all the work that everybody get. Me see all that tall man run on when they even work here. How him reach inside us?
No, but after we put
Me see a man who I have never seen in my life run and take
we are
up.
hustling for
Hold on, man.
Nev.
No.
Me don't want a bag from you. Move from yourself.
No.
Scarce benefits and spoils. Here you are, my friend.
They look like people just here say something and go on and just run from out of the road. And how them reach in the studio?
Thanks, yeah.
You know, so me not rate my boss
No,
no more.
I feel a lot better after
boss
that.
allow them to take liberty with me a while ago.
Mrs. Grant, would you like a chocolate? Or two? We have two. We can give you one out of our bag.
No, Mrs. Grant.
Only one, though.
Mrs. Grant, I'm asking for a raise. Look how much thing you get from me today. You see, only one she did want to give you. You can't give her a raise.
But
Look
she knows that I like to feed other people, so I'm going to go and give them to the poor.
Yeah, but that is why I need the raise to feed her.
You don't need a raise. You have a bag.
Well, there you go. Pinata. Thanks again. I want to say that was fun. But I don't know. Which come from that studio, by the way, a while ago. All right.
You know what that feel like? When the truck them turn over?
And people just
and people from communities just appear out of nowhere.
All right. I want to see if we can move as fast as we move a while ago.
Thanks, Nev. You know my bag. I'm going to feed the poor. I'm going to feed the poor.
Where is Delia?
I'm going to feed the poor.